Welcome to the Real Men's channel. Please watch and subscribe.
Hello, welcome to my channel. For this session, uh, we're on schematic diagram. So on this side, left side, is the voltage sources, resistor of amp, diode, triacs, this light valve, switch. So the most common useful electronics devices. So this is a DC circuit, so we can have these sources, AC voltage DC sources. Yeah. This is the sources, and if you want to put a resistor, this is the resistor. Then if you want to plug the resistor, so you can put on this side. Then the resistor here. So if you want to rotate 90 degrees, or if you want to copy this, it's very easy. So then if you want to connect the circuit to complete the circuit, so just click on the tip and then move to the positive side of R1 together with this R1 to R2, and then R2 to R4, and then we have this R1 to 5. We can extend it. R1 to 5, or let's make it clear. So this R1 to 5, R1 to 5, and then this R4, This is R4, R4 to R3, and then this is R3 to the midpoint of R1 R2. Then the circuit is not complete if it is no ground. So put the grounding system. We can make it tap on this bottom of the circuit. And then if you want to change the label, so this is V1, 5 volts, you can replace it. If we say 25. Resistor 1, R1, so if you want to change the value, so you can have it 300. It's depend on the value. It's the same for R2, you say 100, and then for R3 you can see 25 ohms together with R4. If you can say 50 ohms. So it's very easy to change the label. And then if you want to replace or if you want to calculate the circuit, so what are the currents and the voltage of R1, R2, R3, R4, so you can put this current, so you can put it on you can pause the time, so you can simply stop. So this is the current measured in R1 using ammeter. So almost 77.78 milliampere. Together with this 11.11 ampere for R2, 66.67 for R3. So okay, we can measure the we can measure the ground. What's the current for the ground? So for this you can you can simply rotate the direction and then copy on this side. So we can run again the circuit. Let's wait. So this is the current reading. as you can see, entering current 77.78 milliampere. So the leaving current would be the same. So how about voltage? So for measuring voltage, you can replace this by using you can click simply click the V ampere. So V ampere, and then on this side VA. On R4 we can have VA. For R3 we can have VA, and then simulate again. So it's very easy to simulate the circuit. Oh, as you can see, so there's a current and voltage measures. For R1 is 25 volts, R2 is 1.67 volts, for R3 1.67 volts. So what's the voltage for R4? What's the voltage for R4? So we can measure it again. Copy. For grounding, 0. So because it is on the ground. Okay, simulate again. For voltage and current for R4. So as you can see, this is CER series. R3, R2 and R4 are in a series circuit, so they have the same current. For R2 and R4, voltage different. 6.67 volts, 1.67 volts. R4 is 5.56 millivolts. So it's very easy or accurate to measure the circuit, but if you're going to correct it, so you can have the calculations, and then it's very easy to simulate the circuit. So hope you understand the simulation. Okay, thank you for watching.